Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the backup and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then you will be able to follow all of these steps. So now we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. And right here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left, you can manage the storage. Here you can check some backup details, so what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges because of accessing the limit of your mobile data whatsoever. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and right now your device is backing up the data. Of course, you'll have to confirm it with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.